Good morning, everyone. In the last lecture, we have discussed about solution of state equation. In this, we learned that if we have no input, if the input is zero, then the state equation is called homogeneous state equation. And for homogeneous state equation, the solution we have solved is xt is equal to e raised to at x naught. Xt is equal to e raised to at x naught, or xt is equal to phi t x naught, right? Xt is equal to phi t x naught, where phi t is equal to e raised to at, and this is state transition matrix. State transition matrix. Then we discussed solution of non-homogeneous equation. In this case, we considered that input is not equal to 0, and if input is not equal to 0, the state equation becomes non-homogeneous state equation. And in this case, we have the solution xt is equal to phi t x naught plus integral 0 to t phi t minus tau b u tau d tau. This part of this solution is called natural response. This part of the solution is called natural response, and this one is called forced response. Natural response and forced response. This is natural response because there is no input, which is, the output does not influenced by any input, but here the output is influenced by the input ut, and therefore it is called forced response, and this one is natural response, right? Then we discussed about properties of state transition matrix. So we discussed some properties of state transition matrix. In this first property, we discussed phi naught means if t is equal to 0, then phi t will be identity matrix. Second property we discussed, phi t is equal to e raised to at, and if I take inverse of this, then here will also be minus sign, and then it is called phi of minus t inverse. Then third is phi inverse t is equal to phi of minus t. Next is phi t1 plus t2 is equal to phi t1 multiplied by phi t2, or phi t2 multiplied by phi t1. Then next is phi t raised to n is equal to phi nt, and at the last phi t2 minus t1 multiplied by phi t1 minus t naught is equal to phi t1 minus t naught multiplied by phi t2 minus t1 is equal to phi t2 minus t naught. इसका मतलब ये है कि जैसे हम लोग a b इज इक्वल टू बी ए नहीं लिखते हैं मैट्रिक्स के केस में, अगर a इंटू बी है, a और b दो मैट्रिसेस हैं, तो a इंटू बी इज नॉट इक्वल टू b इंटू ए होता है, ठीक ना? कभी आप ऐसा नहीं लिख सकते कि a इंटू बी इज इक्वल टू बी इंटू ए होगा, लेकिन यहाँ पर क्या है कि अगर हम phi t1 और phi t2 को मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, तो phi t2 और phi t1 का भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो रिजल्ट सेम होगा. यहाँ पर a इंटू बी इज इक्वल टू बी इंटू ए होना है, ठीक है? नेक्स्ट इज determination of state transition matrix. STM. What is STM? State transition matrix. So what is STM? STM is e raised to at or is equal to phi t or is equal to Laplace inverse of Si minus A inverse or is equal to L inverse of phi s. So how to determine state transition matrix phi t? For this purpose we have some techniques. First technique is called infinite series method. इनफाइनाइट सीरीज मेथड. अब ये जो एक्सपोनेंट है e रेज टू at, ये एक इनफाइनाइट सीरीज देता है. अगर हम सिंपली e रेज टू t को एक्सपेंड करें या at को एक्सपेंड करें तो ये क्या बनता है 1 प्लस at प्लस a स्क्वायर t स्क्वायर बाई 2 फैक्टोरियल प्लस a क्यूब t क्यूब बाई 3 फैक्टोरियल प्लस एंड डॉट डॉट. ठीक ना, ये एक्सपेंशन बनता है. बट इफ a इज अ मैट्रिक्स e raised to at, then this one will be identity matrix plus at plus a square t square by 2 factorial plus a cube t cube by 3 factorial plus and so on. This is my infinite series. This is the infinite series method. In this case, we can find out e raised to at. Right? In this case, we can find out e raised to at. For example, let's say we have a matrix A is equal to 1, 4, minus 2, minus 5. If we have this matrix, how can we find state transition matrix? How can we find state transition matrix? For finding state transition matrix, we have to solve this e raised to at. And for solving e raised to at, I have to calculate a square, a cube, a4, a5. So first a is this. What is a square? A square will be 1, 4, minus 2, minus 5 multiplied by 1, 4, minus 2, minus 5. And on solving this, we will get 1 into 1 plus 4 into minus 2. So 1 minus 8 minus 7. Here 4, 5 4 ja 20, minus 20. Minus 20 plus 4 minus 16. Here minus 2 plus 10 8. Here minus 8 plus 25. तो minus 8 plus 25 कितना हो जाएगा 17.